Hey, what's up, gearheads and motorcycle enthusiasts? Today, we're tackling a topic that can send shivers down any rider's spine: the dreaded death wobble. Picture this: you're enjoying a smooth ride, maybe cruising at around 40 miles per hour, and suddenly, your handlebars begin to shake violently. It's a truly terrifying experience, a moment of sheer panic. And in this video, we're going to break down everything you need to know about the death wobble. What causes it, how to identify it, and, most importantly, how to potentially fix it before it ruins your ride, or worse. We'll kick things off with a host vlog, giving you a real-world demonstration. You'll witness a safely executed, of course, example of the death wobble in action, so you can see firsthand what it looks and feels like. We want to emphasize that we demonstrate this in a controlled environment for educational purposes. Then, we'll head back to the shop, our sanctuary of grease and gears, to dive deep into the nitty-gritty of troubleshooting. The death wobble, as it's ominously known, is a rapid and often violent oscillation of the front wheel and handlebars. It can feel like the entire motorcycle is about to disintegrate, shake itself apart right beneath you. Which is a scary situation to be in. This unsettling instability can be triggered by a combination of factors, or even just one, and pinpointing the exact cause is absolutely crucial to solving the problem. So, what are the usual suspects? The prime culprits behind this unsettling phenomenon? First, we have an unbalanced wheel. Even a seemingly minor imbalance, imperceptible at lower speeds, can start a wobble, especially as you climb in velocity. This is precisely why proper wheel balancing is so incredibly critical for both safety and ride quality. Next on our list of potential culprits: worn or damaged steering head bearings. These bearings, often unseen, are the unsung heroes of smooth steering, allowing your front end to turn effortlessly. If they're worn, loose, or, even worse, damaged, they can introduce play in the steering system, which, in turn, can contribute to the wobble. Finally, and not to be overlooked, we have the possibility of a warped rim. A bent or warped rim will cause the wheel to spin unevenly, producing a vibration that can quickly escalate into a full-blown, terrifying death wobble. Back in the shop, we'll walk you through a step-by-step process on how to check for these common issues. We will demonstrate how to inspect the wheel for balance, how to check for play in the steering head bearings, using tried and true methods, and how to carefully examine the rim for any signs of warping or damage. Remember, always prioritize safety first and foremost. If you ever find yourself experiencing the death wobble, immediately slow down. Gradually decelerate and gently pull over to the side of the road as soon as it is safe to do so. Don't attempt to power through it, as it can quickly become uncontrollable, leading to potentially dangerous situations. Remember, proper maintenance and regular inspections are your best defenses against the death wobble. Make sure to regularly check and keep your tires properly inflated. Have your wheels balanced periodically, and ensure your steering head bearings are in optimal condition. Keep an eye out for any unusual vibrations or handling issues. Also, consider the age of your tires, and replace them when necessary. Stay tuned for more helpful tips, tricks, and in-depth motorcycle knowledge.